Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a creative outline on CapCut mobile. Super simple. You have like a lot of options to choose from now, but you're just going to select your picture or video. Then you're going to select cutout and you're going to select remove background, or the customize cutout I think you can also do. But I'm just going to basically select cutout stroke, and here you can choose from these strokes. There's the free one on the right and the left one is a pro one, so if you want the pro effect, just make sure you get that first if you want to. We have this one, and you can also change the color of the border as well. You have this one. We also have the basic one. We have this offset one, and we have this dotted one, but I like this one a lot because it looks like a paper cutout, and you can also adjust the sizing as well and the opacity here. But that is basically it. Once you're done, you're just going to put this down and press the check mark button. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!